If you've been thinking about spending on some lighting to improve the standard of your video and make them more enjoyable to watch, you're going to love this one. Equally, if you've been having second thoughts about lighting because of the price, well, welcome cheapskates! You're in the right place. Don't give up the search because I found a basic studio light setup that is more than what you would want, and we're looking for under £80. The Samtian 160 LED Studio Lighting Kit. Now, you can be excused for not knowing the brand Samtian. I'm not even 100% sure if that's how you pronounce it myself, but I do know a deal and I do know quality. And to that end, it's where we have plenty to share with you. This kit can be found on Amazon. I found it while searching for battery-powered LED lights to create some background lighting, but it could also be used for key lighting or product photography. One of my favourite things when finding this was it's a kit. And a kit suggests to me it's organised with a bag and everything I need. And the Samtian Studio Light is just that. You get 2 LED lights, 2 mini ball heads, 2 diffusers for 5000 kelvins, 2 orange filters at 3200 kelvins, 2 light stands, 2 lots of batteries, and 2 chargers, and 2 UK plugs, and a carry case. There's a lot of stuff. This kit is a complete setup. You get everything you need in this purchase. You set up the stands, they extend to 2 meters. Attach the mini ball heads, which screw in, and they have a standard 1/4 inch thread, but they also mount with a cold shoe mount, which is very well thought out should you want to mount them on your camera accessories. Once you place your fully charged batteries on the light panel, you can expect up to an hour of light, although Samtian quote 90 minutes of runtime. I didn't find that. A full charge will take just shy of 3 hours, so multiple sets is definitely going to be recommended. The LED light panel is 160 LEDs, which is dimmable through a button on the back of the unit, and when fully cranked it gives you 950 lumens, which works perfect for video, no flickers when you're shooting, great for talking headshots. There's even the orange filter which clips on magnetically to the front of the unit, great for key lights. They're really effective at reducing the appearance of freckles and blemishes on the skin to give you that healthy look. All in all, they give you a good level of light. And all of that for £80. It represents surely a very good buy. The charger plastic and weight gives away the price point of this lighting setup. When using the lights after the second charge of the batteries, well, they only ran for about 50 minutes on a full charge. This could be the charger indicator, or it could be the batteries. It could even be the charger and the batteries both at fault. Either way, this does let the kit down. If you have already bought aperture lights or similar, then you know immediately the difference between these plastics, the weight and the overall quality of this kit. Even the bag gives away the price point as it's thin and lacks any padding. You must know that these are the things you will miss out on if you don't spend that extra £200. The pillars of good video can at least be pinned as good camera quality, good audio, good lighting. This kit does let you get your foot on the ladder to significantly improve your video quality. I found the lights to be incredibly useful for shooting macro B-roll and also backlighting for short talking headshots, and I could recommend them to anyone who's looking for that kind of product photography, product video, and also for short use, maybe 30 minutes, where the batteries that are included are going to cover you, and they will in those right circumstances. So if that sounds like you, maybe you need just a fill light for green screen. Well, I've dropped a link below this video. If you've enjoyed watching, let me know by giving the video a thumbs up. And for more filmmaking tech on a budget, make sure you hit that notification bell. Now, I'll be down in the comments. If you have any questions at all, don't hesitate just to drop them down below. And if there's anything else that you're looking at, tech on a budget, make sure you check out our blog. In the meantime, you can find us across social media, or you can find AJ on Twitter. Why would you want to? That's it for this one. Hopefully, I'll see you. Please do join me in the next one. See you next time in the next one. Bye. Please join me. Be there, yeah?
Oh, he's in skip mode. Okay.
But not AJ, just mine.
All right, okay, stop. It's over. See you in the next one.
Get your hands off me.
Oh.
I don't want you in this video. This is my video. This is my time.
Okay, that's fine.
Right, you're going to be in the video by now.
Bye.